Assalamualaikum and hello dearies, this is NK. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. So VEyes Beauty reached out to me and they sent me this beautiful PR package. So let's just open this beauty. Dearies, I'm very excited about this video since I have never done lash extensions before. So let's just open this, and the first thing I got in my hand is, oh wow, it's lash remover. This is going to be very helpful. I can already tell that. So I will fast forward this unboxing part. And ta-da! So this is their all-in-one lash clusters invisible band lashes box. And look at this, it's looking so very bougie. On the back it has an instruction manual where you can learn how to do DIY lash extensions step by step. Step 1. Remove from the card. Step 2. Apply bond. Step 3. Apply to natural lashes. Step 4. Apply seal. And voila, you are good to go. Let's just open this box now. I must say, they have took all safety precautions so product remains safe and sound until it reaches out to you. Let me remove this. So this is our little magic box which contains all the products that we need. This is an applicator they have sent along with it, and it's looking very nice, I must say. This box also contains this magical product which will make sure your lashes last up to 1 week. It's their lash bond and lash seal. Let me zoom it for you. It contains 2 products. One is lash bond and one is lash seal. Both is for the different job. Lash bond work as a lash adhesive and it looks something like this. A mascara band. On the other end is lash seal, which makes sure your lash lasts up to 1 week. And it looks something like this. It's a clear adhesive. This is definitely going to be a useful product, I can already tell. Now I'm taking out this lash palette. It has 4 different style of lashes in it. Let me unwrap this for you. Dearies, now I know why it is named as all-in-one palette, since it contains all the sizes and 4 different style of lashes. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. I can clearly tell their lash band is ultra thin, almost invisible, absolutely amazing. And these lashes feels very soft to touch. Today I'm going to teach you how you can do your lash extensions at home with this kit. And if I can do it, then you can do it too, since I have never done it before. And it will help you save your money since it's super affordable. And you can use these lashes up to 5 times friends. I'm thinking to create fox eyelashes look with this DIY lash extension kit, since it has all the sizes I need for fox lashes. I required to use from long to short. So I'm really excited because I have never done it before, and it has this lash remover. If something went wrong, I can always remove my eyelashes. Let me unpack this so I can show you how it looks. So it looks something like this. One thing I have noticed, their all products feels very luxurious to touch, and from inside it looks like this. So I will take each cluster from all 3 of them and we will go from long to short. So let's just get started. A little tip, decide and take out your desired lashes before applying it. It will save your time. This is VEyes Beauty Lash Bond and Lash Seal. But first we will use lash bond for DIY lash cluster sew only. And this is how my eyes look before lashes, and now I will apply a good coat of lash bond to the lashes. Since I want a natural looking fox lashes, so I will do it from downside. That's why I am applying lash bond on lower end of the lashes. Once I have applied a good coat of lash bond, I will let it dry for a few seconds so my lashes can adhere to it easily. It will look something like this. First, I will take this 18 mm cluster and remove it from the card. Can you see it? It really has ultra thin band. Wow. I will apply it. We will start from outer corner. For you guys, I have rotated my camera upside down so you can see clearly. Now I will take another 18mm cluster from different style and apply it directly to the lower end of the lashes, just like this. What a beautiful lift it has given to my lashes. After applying, I'm making sure everything is set in place. Now I'm taking 14mm cluster from first section. Now I will apply this cluster next to my other cluster, but make sure you always apply it on lashes, not on lid. Now from second section I am taking 12mm cluster. As you can see, we started from the outer corner, now we are moving towards the inner corner. Now I will set my lashes and give it a good pinch. From the third section, I'm taking 10mm cluster, which is going to be the last one for my fox lashes look. I'm going to place this towards the inner corner and complete my look. Just make sure everything is set in place and never forget to give it a good pinch before next step. By the way, I will put their link in my description box with a discount code. Pinching your cluster like this will help your lashes stay in place before the final step. Dearies, I can't believe myself how beautiful and natural it's looking. It's my first time I did lash extensions at home. I can't believe myself. Now it's for the final step and it's a lash seal. To make sure everything is set in place, you have to use this lash seal like this. After your lash look is done, it will lock your lashes in place for up to 1 week. Apply a good coat of seal like this. Once you are done, let it dry, and after a few seconds, you are good to go and enjoy your weekend tension-free with your glamorous lashes. Please dearies, do not forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. And let me know in the comments down below how do you like it, or if you want more videos like this. Here's a before and after look in which you can clearly see the difference between both eyes with and without lashes. This is looking absolutely gorgeous. I am loving it. Thank you guys for watching for this video. I hope you guys have learned a lot today and enjoyed this video. Hey guys, take care of yourselves. See you next time. Me and Kay signing out.